There's a slight crease that I put in there when I was putting it in the car. The way I did it is the wrong way. Welcome back to another episode of Rebuildz. Today I'm going to try to show everybody how to put this headliner in without taking the windshield out, because as you can see I already put the new windshield in. So what I'm going to do right now is try to do it. Hopefully I might bend these pieces a little bit, but I'm not trying to do it too much to damage the headliner. So I'm going to try to put it in right now, see how I can get that done. But I'm going to basically be shifting from this side to the other side. So anyways, like, share, subscribe, drop your comments and thoughts down below. Turn your post notifications on. Check us out on all social media links. Don't forget to get yourself some merch from Rebuildz.com. Hey, let's get straight in the video and hit us up on all social media. Let's go.
Yeah, so right here, all I was doing is trying to see if I could scan the car to find out what was wrong when I should be putting the headliner in. So my camera ended up dying while trying to put this headliner in, but the easiest way to get this headliner in is going through the passenger side, and then you're gonna slowly but I slightly bend the edges of the headliner, because you could see right here I was trying to put it in from the driver's side, but it ended up working from the passenger side. And this is how we were trying to get everything together. It was a little bit of headache, but we got it in and everything went smooth. It took a lot of time, but it's just a whole bunch of clips that clip in the roof of the car, but that's pretty much it. And then everything just goes in smoothly, and no screws at all, just pins that's holding it. To just take your time to not break anything.
Yes, as you can see, most of the stuff we got it together. Now we have power on the passenger side. So now I know the only thing is I tried everything. I tried every scanner that I have. I end up getting this to use as well. So I end up trying to use this. And Carly, and still no luck with getting it started. So the only thing I can think of is maybe the transmission module, but at least now I know I have power on this side. So it's either two things. It's either the computer that we have, transmission module, or something. But now I know that these headlights are working, so now I could be good right now. So the only thing left, we're just trying to button up all of this stuff in. So I'm gonna put y'all on a quick time lapse here. We could button up some more stuff and then see how much of the stuff we could get done before I leave today. So let's keep working. As you can see, the interior is done. There's a slight crease that I put in there when I was putting it in the car. The way I did it is the wrong way. So the easiest way is to just take out the windshield and put it in. But the interior is done. I just gotta put those pieces in the back, but the front pieces are already put in. Still can't get it to start, but as you can see, AC lines have been connected. All the manifold hoses have been connected. So next thing I need to do is put the other horn over here. You saw that now we have power on this side, so at least we're getting somewhere. So only thing is we gotta look at it, see the reason why it's not starting is because of that computer. But we also have the other computer, but I gotta change the transmission module to see if that's actually the reason. Because remember, this transmission module came out of the parts Audi. But anyways, see you in the next one. Hey, so that will be the end of this episode on Rebuildz. As you can see, we got a whole bunch of stuff done. I just did mostly what I could get done today, but still no luck on getting it started. Tried everything, brought the next computer. What else? We tried, we ended up even using a couple scan tools, still no luck. But anyways, that's just probably it for right now. Like, share, subscribe, drop your comments and thoughts down below. Turn your post notifications on. Hey, if you could help me in any way to get this car on the road, to figure out another way how to get it started. But the next thing we have to do is probably just take out a transmission module from the other car. And then hopefully we can get it started. So until next time, stay positive, stay motivated. See you in the next one.